captain's hat, sailed the sea. Imagine that, with black long boots and eyes so bright, he faced the waves both day and night. Row, row, row through the tide, hold that sail, take a ride. Splash, 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 wind so high, off we go across the sky. One fine day, a bottle came with a letter signed in a curly name. Puss in boat, I need your might. Captain Grumpy stole my light. Crescent skirt, oh no, her ribbon swayed in the bottle's glow. Trapped aboard the grumpy ship, Puss in boat bit his lip. Grumpy, mean and stout, laughed so loud, then gave a shout. Your lady's mine, my queen so true. Sail away, there's no place for you.
But Puss in Boots just grinned so wide, his golden tail flicked side to side. He twirled his sword, he tipped his hat. Let's see if you can dance like that.
Puss in Boots took to the floor. Captain Grumpy stomped and swore. They spun, they flipped, they jumped so high. Grumpy tripped, splash, oh my!
Puss in Skirt was free at last. They sailed away so bold, so fast. Two happy tales, the stars above.
Together now, forever in love.
Like, comment, and subscribe.